Applications that are ready for formal review will appear in your eligible homepage tile. Click on the application to select it. There are two types of requests for information. One will make the application editable, allowing changes to the application form and submitted documents, and the other will create a more information required form, allowing the applicant to provide a written response. I will be using an ethics application in this video, as these processes are the same for both ethics and site applications, with the only difference being in the decision wording. To review the application and submitted documents, select Documents. You can review the documents on the page by clicking on the electronic file name. This works for all document types except for zip files, which require to be downloaded to review. For an ethics application, reviewing the project registration form will allow you to review the full list of sites that is being requested for approval. You can click on the electronic file name or use the download option on the row to download the file. Once you have reviewed the documents and are ready to provide a decision, select Management and Decisions. Make the page editable and then select Add Decision. The type of decision will be More Information Required. Add yourself as the user to provide the decision outcome. The free text box here is to be considered working notes. This means the applicant cannot see this, only other team members in your research office with access. On the decision row, select View User Decision. Select your name and provide the decision outcome. Approved pending further information will create a More Information Required form. This will allow you to request a written response without changes being made to the application or submitted documents. For site applications, this is Recommendation pending further information, and it behaves the same way. Decision pending further information will make the application editable, allowing the applicant to edit the application and submitted documents. Comments added here will pull through to the email template. You can tell that an outcome has been provided via the decision row under the outcome header. Select Send Email. The request for information will be sent to the coordinating principal investigator for an ethics application and the principal investigator for a site application and any administration contacts listed on the application. Edit the email template as appropriate. Any coloured text requires your review and removal as appropriate to the decision. Once you've finished editing the template, you can then send the email. You can see that the email has successfully sent via the tick on the decision row. The status has also updated from eligible to in progress. If the decision provided was approved pending further information, or for site applications, recommendation pending further information, the status will change from eligible to information required. This is because you are not asking the applicant to update or edit the application or any submitted documents. If an ethics application has been assigned to a meeting, this process to request information needs to be made within that meeting.